Hi all, welcome to another video from Knowledge for All. If you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also, please use the comment box to update your genuine comments. Today we will discuss about top 25 BPO interview questions and their best answers for the accounting processes. Without wasting a moment, let us start the topic. What is accounts payable? Accounts payable is money owed by a business to its suppliers. It will be shown as a liability on a company's balance sheet. What is accounts receivables? Accounts receivables is the proceeds or payment which the company will receive from its customers who have purchased its goods and services on credit. Accounts receivables are treated as current asset on the balance sheet. Explain real and nominal accounts with examples. A real account is an account of assets and liabilities. Examples are land account, building account, etc. A nominal account is an account of incomes and expenses. For example, salary account, wages account, etc. What is double entry bookkeeping? Double entry bookkeeping is an accounting principle where every debit has a corresponding credit. Thus, the total debit amount is always equal to the total credit. In this system, when one account is debited, then another account gets credited at the same time. What is depreciation? Depreciation refers to a decreasing value of any asset that is in use. Differentiate between provision and reserve. Provisions. This refers to keeping the money for a given liability. In short, expenses. Reserves refers to retaining some amount from the profit for future use. In short, profits. What is accrual concept? Accrual concept is the most fundamental principle of accounting which requires recording revenues when they are earned and not when they are received in cash, and recording expenses when they are incurred and not when they are paid. Name some intangible assets. Intangible assets includes patents, copyrights, trademarks, brand names, and domain names. What is bad debt? Bad debt is an expense that a business incurs once the repayment of credit previously extended to a customer is estimated to be uncollectible. Name different accounting concepts. The most popular accounting concepts are accounting period concept, business entity concept, cost concept, dual aspects concept, going concern concept, matching concept, and money measurement concept. What is procure to pay? Procure to pay is an end-to-end process which covers all the steps from initiation of the requirements by a user or a department till the payment to the supplier. What is purchase order? Purchase order is a commercial document issued by a buyer to a seller indicating types, quantities, and agreed prices for products or services. What is an invoice? An invoice is a time-stamped commercial document that itemizes and records a transaction where purchased on credit. What is Debit Note? Debit Note acts as a source document to the purchase returns. This is a commercial document issued by a buyer to a seller. What is a credit note? Credit note or credit memo is a commercial document issued by a seller to a buyer. This is a source document for the sales return. Explain contingent liabilities. Contingent liabilities are potential obligations that may or may not become an actual liability. Explain golden rule of accounting. As you know, there are three accounts: real, personal, and nominal. Golden rule of accounting for real account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For personal, debit the receiver, credit the giver. For nominal, debit the expense or loss, credit the income or gain. What are the financial statements? Balance sheet or statement of financial position. Income statement or profit and loss account. Cash flow statement. Why do you think accounting standards are mandatory? Accounting standards play an important role in preparing a good and accurate financial report. It ensures reliability and relevance in financial reports. Explain basic accounting equation. Asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. What is fictitious assets? Fictitious assets are intangible assets and their benefit is derived over a longer period. For example, goodwill, rights, deferred revenue expenditure, miscellaneous expenses, preliminary expenses, and accumulated loss, among others. What is BRS or Bank Reconciliation Statement? A bank reconciliation statement or BRS is a form that allows individuals to compare their personal bank account records to that of the bank. BRS is prepared when the passbook balance differs from the cash book balance. What is deferred revenue expenditure? Deferred revenue expenditure is an expense which is incurred while accounting period. For example, revenue used for advertisement is deferred revenue expenditure because it will keep showing its benefit over the period of 2 to 3 years. What is the difference between accounts receivable and deferred revenue? Accounts receivable is yet to be received cash from products or services that are already sold or delivered to customers, whereas deferred revenue is the cash received from the customers for services or goods not yet delivered. What is GAAP? GAAP is the abbreviation for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Thanks for watching this video and all the very best for your interview. Take care.